Today I'll be doing a short review of this Lego Technic Monster Jam Lego set. This one's for, what's it called? Max D. Takes a few hours to build, and it's actually on sale right now for $16. Usually on sale for, usually for sale for $20. Same thing with the other one I'm going to show is the Gravedigger. Again, this is on sale for $16 too. Both are pretty good, cool kits, especially for people who are monster truck lovers. And finally, this one, it's supposed to be a getaway truck. I don't know how this is related to monster trucks, but maybe it is. I don't know. But for sure, these two are, and I'll be showing it to you in a second. Again, it's on sale, $16. So here are the Legos that have been built. Each one took a few hours for me to build, and I'm not a Lego expert, so I'm pretty sure you could finish this in like 30 minutes. It took me like an hour and a half, 2 hours to build. You can see it's pretty cool. And if you get them right now on sale for $16, I think it's a pretty decent deal. You know, Legos with this many pieces, I would say is usually a little bit more than 20, but this is only for $20, and it does include moving parts, so you can roll it. And the nice thing about it is, if you wind it back, it moves forward. Wind it back, moves forward. Now it's gone. So I'll show you the Gravedigger one. On the Max D one I have over here, I lost the flag. And in fact, in terms of building it, I have kids from 7 and under. They helped a little bit. The older one did, and then the younger one wasn't so excited. He just wanted it built. The wheels, if you actually do end up playing with this, the wheels have a tendency to come off. I think... So if you look at this, I think they're supposed to have caps, but they fell off already. Let me move this one over. And I'll have to see if I can fix them. As I mentioned before, it's supposed to have a cap like this, but they come off pretty easily. So again, in terms of playability, you have to pay attention when you're using this thing because the parts will come off. Especially like over here, these little spikes. They might come off. Surprisingly, I thought my kids would love playing this, but I guess they're older now. They're not so much into monster trucks as they were when they're younger. I think they'd rather play video games. But there's no issues after building this and making sure it ran. Like I'll show you again. Doesn't take much to wind, or wind it back over here. Goes forward. So, in theory, they'd be fun to play with. But if you try running them off of ramps, again, these are Legos. They're just gonna break apart, and so you have to pay attention to where the parts are. So again, the biggest issue for me is these parts over here don't secure too well on the wheels, so the wheel will probably come off very easily. You can see this thing just fell off and I don't even know where it is coming from. To figure that out now. I think over here. Oh man. Or maybe over here. Yeah, down here. So anyways, plan to get some. It won't be too bad. Just be careful. This might just end up being more of a, what do you call it? Those things where you just show them instead of actually use them as a toy. More of a collectible versus a toy. Like I said, you lose the parts pretty easily. This is missing the flag. This just came out of this Gravedigger. Regardless, I do still recommend it. It's a cool Lego toy. Hopefully, you can let me know what you think of it.